Hello friends, Facebook spying on kids. One word, gross. I'm not a big Facebook user, but I really like the concept, the original concept. I heard so many stories of people connecting and reconnecting with friends, colleagues, classmates. People will be like, oh, I haven't seen you in 20 years and look, we're living in the same town. Let's get together. I love that community building and the human connection side of this, of these type of tools. But it just spiraled downwards into the cesspool of greed to monetize every angle possible, as aggressively and unscrupulously as possible. And the news just keeps coming in with one scandal after another. It's just, one shady behavior after another. It's just shameless. And now going after teenagers, snooping encrypted data, that's just creepy. I have two boys, and the way they use their phones is extremely important to them. They're constantly, sending texts, selfies, private thoughts. It's their coming of age diary, and this is not something that you want to be just snooping in and reading behind their backs. And the excuse that they had parental consent is BS. Most parents have no idea what their kids are doing, and $20 for a teen goes a long, long way. They may not understand it right now, but they're gonna, once their frontal lobes are fully developed, they're gonna understand it, and they're gonna feel violated. And for $20, that's apparently, some of the kids, the high mark was $20. So my call of action here is we need to seize those servers that were spying on the children, just the children. Those who were over 18, well then, you're on your own. You do whatever you want to do with your money, and your privacy is your choice. Collect the servers like you would with any other suspicion of predatory behavior. Analyze what's on them. Prosecute those responsible for anything illegal found on them. I also want to applaud Apple. They cut the employee-only apps rights for Facebook, apparently causing huge disruption at Facebook, and I think this is good. I have a lot of friends who work at Facebook. They're good people, but they also need to see that there is action taken for the bad, the greedy behavior done at the C-suite. They need to see this. They need to, these big companies need to kind of clean out, just kind of take a broom and just sweep a lot of that bad stuff from those high levels. It's just crazy. Now, that's my call to action. And honestly, let's just wait for the next news report. Let's wait for the next scandal. Let's see what happens next. It's bound to happen. I'll probably talk to you tomorrow.